Please come.
Excuse me, ma'am. Me and Aditya, we were just discussing about few ways how to protect our earth. But we are a lack of solutions. So can you just suggest us more, something about more, that how we can protect our earth, how we as students, we can save our mother earth?
What can we do as a children to make this area a better place to live?
Ma'am, can you please suggest something?
I think you have brought up a very interesting question. In fact, this question has been bothering all of us, elders particularly, and we have thought of a lot of solutions, but one A plan or one single plan has never been successful in making the earth, as you say, a better place to live. It has to be a collective effort. Now let's go out and let's see what is the scenario that we see outside and what we need to do actually. I was talking to you about saving the Mother Earth. If you see that side, can you see the forest cover? Can you see the hills? The entire area around us earlier used to be under this kind of forest cover. But of late, what has happened is that it has become a concrete jungle. More and more schools are coming up, more and more hotels are coming up, business organizations, industries are coming up. Consequently, what is happening, we have to cut down trees. We have to indulge in a kind of deforestation. So, obviously, the condition has gone from bad to worse in the last few years.
Ma'am, would you like to share a plan with us?
Ma'am, do you have any other plans that we can take in the upcoming session, which we'll implement in the next session as well?
Yes, thank you for asking me this question, Lucy. We have a lot of plans actually. One is the Swachh Bharat drive, which we had been doing last year also, and this year also we will be doing it. Plus, we will also be launching a campaign on a very big scale to spread mass awareness. And as a result of that campaign, we will be putting up posters. Today also our children will be going to the city for presenting the street plays. We will carry on with that. We can also conduct a few Prabhat Fairies, the processions, as you had only suggested. These are some regular efforts that the school would be making. Besides that, we have a very big program lined up, that is tree plantation drive, which will be called by some name like Van Mahotsav or tree plantation ceremony, so to say, where we will be identifying those pockets, those areas where en masse trees have been cut down, and there we will plant the trees, where each and every student of NPS International will be contributing in some way or the other.